Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to check the direction of a house online. Whether you're a homebuyer, a real estate enthusiast, or just curious about feng shui, knowing if your house faces north, south, east, or west can make a big difference. This is especially relevant in 2025, with advanced digital tools making it easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First, why does this matter? House direction can affect sunlight, energy flow, and even property value. For instance, a south-facing house might get more natural light, which is great for solar panels or gardening. Now, let's get to the how. The easiest way is using Google Maps or similar platforms. Start by opening Google Maps on your phone or computer. Search for the address of the house you're interested in. Once it's pinned, switch to satellite view for a bird's-eye perspective. Next, look for the compass rose or orientation indicator on the map. Most modern maps have a small north arrow in the corner. Compare that to the house's layout. Is the front door pointing towards the arrow? That'll tell you the direction. For more precision, zoom in and use Street View if available. Walk around virtually and note the sun's position or shadows. Early morning shadows point west, for example. If you want high-tech options, check out apps like Compass Pro or specialized real estate tools in 2025, which integrate AI for accurate directional analysis. These often use your device's GPS and augmented reality. Pro tip: cross-verify with a physical compass for the best results, especially in areas with magnetic interference. Wrapping this up, checking house direction online is quick, free, and empowering. It only takes a few minutes and can save you headaches down the line. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.